Welcome to Kitty Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a T-Rex. Draw the nose and the mouth of the T-Rex with some sharp teeth inside. Draw the back of the head and the eye. Draw the body of the T-Rex and draw a cone shape for the tail. Draw the two front legs with two big fingers and nails in each. Draw the belly. Then draw the two back legs a lot bigger than the front one, with toes and nails in each. Draw a line to define the belly area. Decorate the back of the dinosaur with some triangles. Congratulations! Now you can draw a T-Rex. Now grab the colors of your toys and let's start coloring. Check the link in the description box to find our collection of T-Rex products.